Oh yeah, check out my cool cowboy boots. Okay.
Maybe human stuff like that.
And as I said, homelessness exists everywhere in the world. I have zero judgment. This place is for everybody. The animals, the people, and at least in here, what I'm seeing is people living as one with nature. Clean up after themselves. They do much better than the city folk. And I'm not saying they're not city folk, they're in the middle of a city. They're just living. I was wanting to see a bunch of wildlife, but instead we're seeing real life. It's cool. Reality in focus.